What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Rowdy Player One channel. I am Rowdy, and today we have got the TBR for February, Love Month. Who doesn't love that? I love my wife. I love my kids. What could get better? Besides some awesome books. And I also have an unboxing here that one of these books will be going on to the February TBR. Before we get started, I am continuing with Lonesome Dove. That will be, let's see, this comes out a couple days, end of the month, the 8th of February. I'll like less than half the book on our next thing to get started, and looking forward to that. But yeah, so let's see what we've got on the docket for this month. I'll be finishing Bloodwoven, if not at the end of January, by G.J. Terrell. It'll kind of go into a little bit of February, but I should be done with it the very end of January, if not the first couple of days of February. But after that, we are going to go with The Ranger by E.H. Bradley. I have not read anything about this. E.H. was kind enough to send this to me, and I am very excited to get this started. Love the old picture of the Ranger. It's a very beautiful cover. I think this is going to be really good. It's not super long, neither. Less than, like 400 pages, maybe, 400 pages. So that shouldn't be too terribly long to knock this out, and I think it's going to be really good. And hopefully when I get done with that, me and EH can get together and have him on the channel to discuss this. And then he's also got another book that's coming out called The Veil. Not exactly sure when the release date is, but he sent me that in ebook, and I haven't forgot about it. I appreciate him sending it to me. I'm sorry I've not got to it yet, but that will be coming up shortly as well. So looking forward to it, because I think it's horror, and I'm definitely wanting to read at least one horror novel every quarter. So if I can do more, that's great, but we will definitely see. But right now, The Ranger, that's the first one on the list. The next one is Of Blood and Fire. This is technically the first book in the Bound and the Broken series by Ryan Cahill. I read The Fall in January, and I am going to immersive read this, do a little audiobook and read at the same time. I absolutely loved The Fall. The Fall was, I think I gave it like 4 stars in my review on Goodreads, and it's non-stop, fast-paced, just 1,000 miles an hour. All these, you get like 3 or 4 different people, but they're all in this like same battle, and it's really good. So I have started this. Oh, dropped my phone. I have started this a little early already. I'm kind of doing just a tad whenever I get a chance, and it's definitely much slower paced in the beginning on this one. It's kind of giving you sort of like maybe the backstory, or I guess this is like further into the future from where The Fall was in the beginning. Now, I'm not far at all, like 5 chapters in, so basically I haven't hardly read anything. But I'm sure it's good, and the way everyone talks, all of these books, I've got all of them that are out right now on the shelf, and they just supposedly, Ryan's writing just gets better and better and better, and these get more action-packed the further along you go with them. So very much looking forward to this and continuing on, because I'm going to do my best to have this whole thing done, all the books, by, I said one a month, but I may, if I end up really falling in love with it, hopefully by the end of April, be done with them. That way I can grab Of Empires and Dust when it comes out at the end of March. So looking forward to that. Oh, then I have, just as a little joke, I'm going to do this to support my buddy Chris, the Bearded Book Beast. For February, I think he is doing a bunch of romantic books and stuff like that for love. I mean, like I said, who doesn't love love? And I'm going to suffer with him and read or watch. No. See, it's even got me confused because I don't even know if I want to do it. It hurts so bad. But A Court of Thorn and Roses, I'm going to audiobook it so he doesn't suffer alone in this. And so I will be there to support Triple B and get that done on audiobook. I don't know if I'm dreading it or I'm so excited because I think it's going to be so bad. I just don't know. It's a tough decision on that one, but I will suffer through it with you, Chris. I got you. After that, we are going to go with Golden Sun by Pierce Brown. It has been a year since I read Red Rising, and I've waited. I finally got all the books in, is it February? No, either the end of November, December. I don't remember. I think it was November. And then I got these cool dust jackets for them. But this right here, I've heard this is the best book in the series. So I am really looking forward to getting through with this. I'm planning on reading every one of those books that I have down there this year and getting completely caught up before Red God comes out. If it comes out at the end of this year or if it's next year. But I'm very excited to continue with the Red Rising saga. I mean, oh man, I've heard so much good stuff and I cannot wait to get this done. So those are 4 of the 5 that I'm going to do. But obviously I have this. I'm finishing I'm still working on Lonesome Dove, but it'll be done in February because our last buddy read will be on the 25th, I think. I think that's right. I think it's the 25th, 24th, 23rd, somewhere in there. But I got this package in the mail Saturday. So let's see who it's from. It's from me. Push this to the side. This is from Bella Dunn. Thank you so much. These must be book plates. Oh, sweet. Some nice covers. Covers. Bookmarks. There we go. The Fae Live Among Us. Very nice. Blood and Dreams. Oh, you can even scan this if you want to, that QR code. Hopefully that focuses for you. The Sorrow of the Wise Man. You can do that QR code if you can. Got a sweet map. Oh, is this for all of them? Nice. Oh, notes too. I will read those later, but here, let me make sure they're upright. There's the maps. That's so awesome. Yep, sent that to me. So let's open these bad boys up. Let me move these to the side. Bella is awesome. Man, look at this. Let's get these bad boys out. Okay, so these two were beside each other, and this one was by itself. I don't know how these packaged, but I'm going to say these are the first 2 books for one series, and this is her newest series. So that is some sweet wrapping. So let's see what this is. And I'm wrong. That is fine. Oh, yeah. This is her newest series, The Sorrow of the Wise Man. Oh, man. This is so cool. I can't wait to read this. This right here will be the last book that I read for the month of February, or that is the plan. If not, it will go into March, and we will get that done because it comes out on April 16th. So I definitely want this finished before then so I can get my review up and give her and then do a review on it for her and help her out with it because this looks really cool. I love that cover. If you can see it, it looks so awesome. Oh, The Sorrow of the Wise Man. So let's see what this is. A nice chunky boy. Oh, that's book 2, so I will put that to the side and we'll open book 1 first. So you can see it. There we go. Oh man, these covers are so awesome. This is The Dream Thief. Looks awesome. Very, very nice. Got a good flop. Can't go wrong with that. That's book 1. And book 2 is Blood and Dreams. There you go. Fantastic. Great presentation, Bella. I really appreciate you sending these to me and being able to get them read for you as soon as I can. They look amazing. I can't wait to give them a shot. But that's these. And that is my book haul for the month of February. If you would, leave a like on the video because it helps to share it out to everybody else. Let me know leave a comment and tell me what you plan on reading for the month of February, because I obviously have lots to do. And yeah, let me know if you're gonna do a little suffering and read a little Court of Thorns and Roses, or if you're like, no, I'm staying away from that. It's only fantasy and sci-fi for me. And we'll go, because I actually think Bella might have this right here. Some of this stuff might be a little romantic or whatever, but I feel like this is going to be good. But other than that, subscribe to the channel, and y'all have a great day. Bye.